Hi guys, Nishant here. Today in this tutorial we are going to take a look at how to draw image in Canvas. So first of all I am going to show you which image I am going to use. So for that I am going to write paragraph tag. Inside that I am going to write image to use. Now we are going to write our image tag. So my source here is this one that is in my HTML folder. So I'm going to mention it as 1.jpg. Alt is an alternative for this image. So here I'm writing my image. Now I'm going to pass an ID, that is my image. Now I'm going to give it a width of 150 and height of 120. So let's save this first and let's open this in web browser. So as you can see, image to use. So this is my image here. So we are going to draw this image inside our canvas. So let's write our canvas code. Let's give an ID to canvas. So ID here is canvas 1. So let's now give width to it. So I'm going to give width of 218, giving height 194, and also border using style attribute. So border, there is 1 pixel, solid black. So let's save it and just refresh our page. As you can see, this is our canvas. So now let's write script inside it. But first of all, let me use p tag here. In between I'm going to mention canvas. So let's save it. So as you can see, both are now separated and looks good. So our image is going to be right here. So let's write the script for that. So script, in between these two lines we are going to write our first line of code, that is window dot onload equals to function round brackets and curly brackets. So what does this do? So whenever the window loads, this function should be executed. So everything we are going to write is between the function. So first we are going to declare a variable, that is canvas equal to document object model method, that is document dot get element by id round bracket double quotes, passing the id that we have given it, that is canvas 1 and semicolon. The next thing is declaring another variable, that is ctx context is equal to canvas dot get context round bracket double quote 2D semicolon this is inbuilt HTML object. So now we are going to define an variable for our image, that is img, and we are going to pass the ID that we used here, that is my image, this right here, and doing the same thing that we did to pass the canvas ID, that is DOM, document object model method. So I'm going to write here document dot get element by ID, round bracket, double quote. So here I'm going to write my image, semicolon. Now ctx dot draw image is the method we use to draw the image inside the canvas, round brackets. So here the first parameter we are going to pass is image img, that is the variable we used, and it has two coordinates, that is the starting point where you want to place that image. So here I'm going to write 10 and 10, semicolon. So let's save it, let's refresh our code. As you can see, this image is now here. It looks pretty much good. You can place it wherever you want. You can try it with your own image. So that's all for image in Canvas. Thank you for watching this tutorial.